everybody, this is Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday. Today I want to show you some tips for working with the Cool Tools crafting dies. Let's get started. To get started, I'm just going to put down some scratch paper. I'm going to be using the markers to add color, and so I want to protect my work surface. Now when you take these dies and cut them out, you're going to end up with a bunch of little pieces like this. And then I've just die cut them out of regular old white paper, a little bit heavy because I'm going to be coloring on them. And I'm not going to show you how to do every single one of these, but I'm just going to show you the screwdriver handle and the metal shaft that goes with that screwdriver. So I've got my nails colored right now with French tips, so I want to be really careful not to get any of these markers on my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and put them down on just a piece of post-it note tape. That lets me get a little bit further away from the coloring that's going on. So to start with, I'm going to start with just a gray, and I'm using plain old inexpensive markers, and I'm just going to go over it with the light gray to get some color onto it for the metal color. Now once I've done the lighter shade, I can go back in with a smaller tip and just really quickly add some detail around the edges to make it look like there's some shadows and such. And once I've added that detail, I'm going to go ahead and just blend it right back in using the lighter color. So quick color, easy to do, get it done really fast. Okay. Now for the handle, I'm going to go ahead and put down all over red, just using the broad tip with a light red. It's pretty bright, but that's okay. I want cheerful tools. And then it's got some embossed lines in it that aren't really showing up very well, so I'm going to take the fine tip on this, and these are just markers that were laying around the office, and I'm going to go trace over those embossed lines and see if I can't get a bit more definition into that tool also. And I want it to blend a little bit better than that, so I'm going back with the lighter red and just doing some quick blending using the lighter color too. Now once you've got the colors on all the tools the way that you want them, you'll end up with a bunch of pieces that you have to adhere together. And so imagine these weren't adhered yet. Let me go ahead and do that with, here's the ones that I colored. And to adhere them together, I really recommend either this Quickie glue pen that looks just like this, or the On Point glue that looks like this and has a really fine tip on it. And to do this, all I would do is to go in and go, okay, I'm going to add some glue right there and put it together with the handle. Well, I'm going to put the pen down so I can actually move things around and put it together with the handle to adhere my my two pieces together. So I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about how you can use the Cool Tools crafting dies to make projects just like this. Thanks for watching.